Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here, your source for gaming, tech, news, and reviews. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at the latest news in the fighting game community. Let's get started. First up, we have some surprising news from Capcom about Street Fighter V. Street Fighter V came out in 2016. The game is over 4 years old at this point. Many people, myself included, thought this game was on its way out. So the news that broke today says due to the positive reception of Season 4 and Champion Edition, we are planning to do a final Season 5, which will add 5 more fighters to the rosters. 3 new stages are also being planned. And if you think about it, Street Fighter V already has 40 characters in its roster. Adding 5 more characters to bring the total to 45 and 3 more stages is pretty huge. We don't really have a word on which characters will be released, but some people do have some ideas already. Some of the fan favorites are characters like Oro, Dan, Rose, and Guy. Personally, I wouldn't mind seeing Dudley added onto this list. Let me know in the comments below which fighter you would like to see added to Street Fighter V. Additionally, Capcom is offering costume EX09 for free for all characters to all players. The costume is right there, just as an appreciation to everybody who has supported Champion Edition so far. Now personally, I'm a big fan of this costume. I really like the way it looks on most characters. This costume was originally a pre-order bonus for those who pre-ordered the Champion Edition version of Street Fighter V, but now it will be available to all players. And lastly from Capcom is some great news if you are a creative and artistic person. There's a costume contest running now until July 21st, where you can submit a costume design for one of the existing 40 characters in Street Fighter V. Capcom will be selecting 2 winners for their costumes to be featured in-game. For a full list of details on the contest, I will leave a link to this in the description below. Feel free to check it out. And if you do create some artwork and submit it to Capcom, if you feel like it, also submit it to this email as well. This is my personal email, and I am going to be having my own contest on this channel. While the winner won't get their character featured in Street Fighter V, I will try to have a prize of some sort, and it should be pretty fun. I'm going to have the community vote on it. It can be good, it can be funny, it can be silly, it doesn't matter. Just submit it to me, and we'll share it with the community, vote on a winner, and then I will have a prize of some sort. Next up in the news, we have a bunch of news from SNK. The first bit of it is surrounding Samurai Showdown NEOGEO Collection. This collection was initially announced back in March of 2019, so it's not necessarily new, but there is a very new part about it. SNK just announced that Samurai Showdown 5 Perfect will be a part of this collection. Samurai Showdown 5 Perfect was developed 15 years ago, but never saw the light of day. There are 7 Samurai Showdown games included in this package, and all of them have online verses. While many people are excited to get their hands on the collection, the biggest piece of news here is Samurai Showdown 5 Perfect, because the game was fully developed 15 years ago. It wasn't partially developed, it wasn't in testing, it was fully developed and finished, but SNK never let it see the light of day. Samurai Showdown 5 Perfect is the stuff of myth and legend in the SNK community, and the fact now that the ROM is finished, it's been discovered, and is fully playable online as well is huge. This is not just huge for SNK fans or fighting game fans, this is huge for retro gaming fans as well. This is essentially a brand new retro game that no one has played before. I'm going to leave a link to this tweet in the description below, and I highly recommend checking it out. Brandon Sheffield tells an incredible story of how the game came to be. But wait, there's more. This is going to be absolutely free. If you have the Epic Games Store on your PC, the Samurai Showdown Collection is 100% free. Yes, you can buy it for PS4. Yes, you can buy it for Nintendo Switch. Yes, you can buy it for Steam. But why not pick it up for free on the Epic Games Store? And if you're into physical collector's editions, I know this guy is, Pix and Love Publishing is going to be producing a limited edition Samurai Showdown Shockbox here for Nintendo Switch and PS4. I'll leave a link to Pix and Love Publishing in the description below. And lastly from SNK, if you are a Twitch Prime member, you have access right now to 7 free games. Fatal Fury Special, King of Fighters 2000, King of Fighters 2002, SAMSHO 2, Art of Fighting 2, Blazing Star, and Polestar. Additionally, there will be over 13 more games added to this list. These 7 games are up and available right now, so if you have Twitch Prime, log in and claim them. But anyways, that is all I've got for today. I want to thank these people right here for sharing the news with me. If you ever have any fighting game news or retro gaming news or gaming news in general or even tech news, let me know here. Send your news in here and maybe it will be featured in one of my videos and maybe you'll get a shout out just like these people. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite piece of news was today. Additionally, if you are doing any artwork, if you're submitting any artwork for the Street Fighter contest, also submit it here to my email. I do want to have a contest. I do want to have some fun with it and there will be a prize. If you like this video, leave a like. If you didn't like this video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button, check out my other videos. Thank you everyone, take care.